Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to restore old YouTube layout. So let's get into it. First of all, let's open any web browser that you are using for search and go to YouTube. Once you are on the YouTube website, let's restore the old layout. Open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the first search result to open the web store. Once you are in, open extensions. In the search bar, type YouTube Docs and hit enter. Open the first extension from the results. On the left side, click on Add to Chrome and then Add extension. Within a few moments, the extension will be downloaded and be added to your Chrome browser. Now let's go back to the YouTube tab and refresh the page. And that's it. This is how you can restore the old YouTube layout. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.